Here's where you can go to change the size of your Samsung keyboard as well as slightly increase the font size of your keys. Let's do it. This is a Galaxy A55 phone. Here we go. To find these settings, you can use the quick panel access and tap on the settings here. You can always type into the search bar Samsung keyboard and that'll take you straight to the Samsung keyboard. Or if you don't feel like typing, you can go down until you see general management right here. Once in this section here, you'll see Samsung keyboard settings. And as you go into this, you will now see different Samsung keyboard settings. As you're here now, you'll go down. And the first thing you'll notice is the size and transparency. This here is going to apply for your portrait mode type of keyboard, and you can go ahead and increase the height of it. And if you do this, that's kind of like one-handed mode, okay? But however you leave it, once you are set, you can press done, and that's gonna save your new Samsung keyboard height. The next thing now is the font size. As you go here, you'll notice that there is this little slider bar with 3 adjustments. And it's not much, but when you toggle it, you'll notice how it does get slightly a bit smaller. If you notice how that looks here to that there, okay? So these are the 2 settings that can help with your keyboard view, the size, and that's that. I can tell.